On Monday, November 10th, my group and I took a beach field trip to Rock Beach, St. Michael, where we did a beach lab, and these are our findings.
We used a grapefruit for our longshore current experiment. Grapefruit can be seen in the red circle, and our results were consistent as we had the lowest results, minutes per second, 0.088, in comparison with the other two groups, which had 0.058 and 0.34 minutes per second. And it showed that our section of the beach represented a gentler slope.
So for our second portion, we dealt with the breakers. For our ADUs with the breaker height, our average value that we calculated was 2.89 meters. Compared to other groups, this was higher, with the other groups having an average of 1.03 meters and 1.14 meters. Furthermore, the wind speed was determined to be 24 kilometers per hour based on the anemometer reading at a direction of northeast. This would have an influence on the angle the waves are approaching from the longshore current, being at northeast as well. The breaker type that was most observed was spilling, and this correlates with our gentler slope theory. And this would result in a decrease in speed, a decreasing wavelength, and the wave energy being scattered in a long distance.
For the beach profile, the average of our group's height was 72.23 centimeters, and the other groups were 52.28 and 90.33 centimeters. The difference in the shoreline beach morphology shows different wave actions. As we were up the coast, there was light wave action, which caused the swash in our area, whereas further down the coast, heavy wave action caused backwash, which led to the removal of sediment from the beach profile. This graph represents the average of the three groups' data.
We took some sediments from 3 locations, where our data show fine sediments dominated the area, measuring between 250 to 500 micrometers. These sizes are in relation to sand. This corresponds with our previous findings, which states that our area had low average wave velocity and low wind speed, which will result in low wave energy. This allows these waves to only be able to carry the finer size sediments mentioned above.
This diagram summarizes the data.